Welcome to my 2-year nut and bolt frame-off restoration project. Over 18 feet long with a 462 cubic inch V8 under the hood, it's an icon of American luxury, style, and engineering. My mission is to bring this 1967 Lincoln Continental Convertible back to life. Not just as it was, but better than new. I want it to look and feel as close to factory original as possible. This car is very complete. But as someone once said, it's good from far, but far from good. It was restored a few decades ago, and now it's ready for a proper redo. My goal here is to document the entire journey. Not just the highlights, not just the finished product, but every step, start to finish. You'll see time-lapse sequences, close-up details, and the reality of what it takes to bring a classic back to life. Along the way, I want to introduce you to the people and teams who make this possible, from the restoration shops doing the heavy lifting, to the manufacturers producing new parts, to the support shops and specialists who all play a role in making a restoration like this succeed. This is just the beginning. This channel, Revival Road Restorations, is my way of sharing that journey. This is my first project here, and I'm calling it the Suicide Door Diaries. If you want to follow the process, learn along the way, and watch this Continental transform piece by piece, subscribe and join me on the Suicide Door Diaries. Subscribe and join me for the ride.